I'm in E-Town, and this would be the model called the Royal. But if you're a Reservoir Dogs fan, you would call it the Royale.
Royalty. That's right.
Check it out. So this is the Royal model by Providence Homes here in E-Town. They're 100% Energy Star certified through the EPA. They spray foam condition their attics, and they have the accountability of a third-party performance testing. They also have an Energy Star certification that qualify for the EPA's Indoor Air Plus label by including additional design and construction features to improve and promote healthy indoor air quality with the U.S. Department of Energy Zero Energy Ready Home. Basically what they're saying is they're selling green homes in here that are fully rated by third parties. And like I said before, this is the Royale. As you enter the home, you have a dining room, formal dining room area, which I guess some people could opt as a study, if you will. And then there's a butler pantry that enters into the kitchen. This Royal is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath with 2-car garage and just under 2,500 square feet. Not my preference of decorations, but it's just to give people an idea that do want that darker wood or darker floors, that you have those options available to you. As you come into the home, to the right is a 2-car garage and a mudroom. And the entrance to your 4th bedroom. This model, it's built as a bonus room, but most people enclose this and make it a 4th bedroom, just like they do in the Jackson. It's a nice sized bedroom with its own walk-in closet. And its own bath with a shower tub combo. Again, if you've watched my other videos, you'll know that Providence is well known for their energy efficient homes because they have their whole attic insulated, and the room temperature in the attic is the same as the rest of the house, which causes you to save significantly in your electric bill. And there's a little extra storage space in that walk-in attic I just came out of, which is a great feature of this Royal or Royale. So let's go back down the stairs. Again, you would want to make that your 4th bedroom rather than a bonus as it is in this model. Here's your dining room and your living area. I love how you have these arching ceilings with beams. You have a barn door. Got kind of a country feel, this Royal model. As we go down the hallway here, we have your laundry room. This one does not have a sink. Across from that is a very large bathroom, single vanity with the shower tub combo. And then besides your guest bonus room upstairs, this is your first actual bedroom downstairs. There's a single window, double closet, and then next to it is your 2nd bedroom, double closet. Again, like I said, laundry room to the left, bathroom to the right, and then a linen closet right off the dining living room area. In the back corner here is the primary with upgraded bay windows. Just makes the room really light and bright, and also it makes it so much more spacious. It's another cool chandelier light. something I've not seen before. Here's your primary bath. Massive shower. You could say you could fit quite a few people in there, whatever your thing may be. A nice large primary closet. Of course, this closet is upgrade. Double vanity in your WC. And outside, bathroom is a additional linen space in this closet. Love these high ceilings, just makes the house feel really big, very spacious. And in this model, they decided to do a gas fireplace, since this home does have gas, which again means it's not one of the zero energy ready homes. And then a screened-in lanai, which I love, keeps the bugs out. I wouldn't put this outdoor fireplace like this. I'd probably make it a extended lanai area and open it up to the backyard, but just so you can get a gander of what the back of the Royal looks like. Again, in here, E-Town, it's a green neighborhood here in Jacksonville. If you notice on the roof there, you can also opt for solar panels. That's the theme here in E-Town. It's just really hip, green, eclectic, futuristic kind of feel. It's also built by the park group, same developer as Nocatee. This is the Royal model, folks. I hope you liked it. If you're ever in the Jacksonville area, I would love to be your real estate professional of choice. Again, as I always say, if you're building a new home, it costs you nothing to have an advocate who works with builders every single day. Oh, by the way, here's your walk-in pantry. That's super important, right off the kitchen here. And your butler area, which you can opt to put a wine fridge if you choose. I'm not saying you have to, but I would. And then there's your formal dining room. Again, these E-Town design has these cool rectangular and boxy windows in front of the home, which make them a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Check out some of the other Providence models here on my channel here in E-Town. And remember, E-Town's in Duval. It's close to St. John's Town Center. And Jack's Beach, right off of 9B exit 95. It's a fantastic location. Thanks for hanging out with me, and check out the next video.